we guide you through how to unhide comments on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three lines on the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Hidden Words. Here, you'll see options like Hide Comments and Advanced Comment Filtering. If these are turned on, Instagram automatically hides comments it thinks are offensive, so simply toggle them off to start seeing more comments again. Next, go back and tap Privacy, then Comments, and check if you accidentally blocked specific users or filtering certain words because this can also hide comments. Remove any blocked accounts or filtered words if needed. Also, review your post directly by tapping View Hidden Comments under a post if available. Sometimes Instagram groups them there. And lastly, make sure your app is updated because bugs can cause comments to disappear.